Wrong address drama. Let's fix that on Shein ASAP. First, fire up that Shein app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in, the usual username and password dance. Now, look down. See that little icon labeled me at the bottom right corner? Tap it. This is your Shein HQ. Okay, almost there. Spot the settings icon at the top right. It looks like a little gear. Tap that too. Great. In the settings menu, you'll find address management. This is where the magic happens. Give it a tap. Here, you'll see all your saved addresses. If you need to change an existing one, tap Edit next to the address you want to update. If you need to add a new address, select Add Address. On the next page, carefully fill in all the fields with your correct information. Double check everything. Typos can be a real pain. Name, street address, city, state, zip code, and especially your phone number. Finally, make sure you hit the Save button. You can also choose the Set as Default option if this is your primary shipping location. That's it, no more lost packages. Happy shopping!